Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're delighted to have you here as we present an exciting unboxing and review of the Suunto 9 Baro Charcoal Black Titanium. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of this exceptional timepiece and discover its remarkable features and capabilities. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. As the box opens, we're greeted with anticipation and reveal the watch itself, showcasing its stunning titanium grade 5 bezel and sapphire crystal glass, which not only enhance its aesthetics but also ensure durability and long-lasting beauty. The case, constructed from glass fiber reinforced polyamide, strikes the perfect balance between lightweight construction and robustness, making it a reliable companion for your adventures. The nylon textile strap not only adds a touch of comfort but also exudes a sense of style, making it suitable for both casual and active wear. Weighing in at just 66.9 grams, the Suunto 9 Baro Charcoal Black Titanium boasts a lightweight design that makes it incredibly comfortable to wear throughout the day. But don't let its lightness fool you. This watch is packed with features and functionalities that cater to even the most demanding outdoor enthusiasts and athletes. The vibrant color display of the Suunto 9 Baro Charcoal Black Titanium enhances visibility and readability in various lighting conditions, providing you with clear information at a glance. Coupled with the vibration alert feature, you'll never miss an important notification or update, keeping you connected and informed throughout your day. Whether it's tracking your activities, monitoring your heart rate, or receiving smart notifications, this watch keeps you in the loop while on the go. Battery life is always a critical consideration, and the Suunto 9 Baro excels in this aspect. Equipped with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this watch boasts an impressive battery life of up to 14 days in time mode, ensuring that you won't have to worry about frequent charging. For those who require extended performance, the Suunto 9 Baro delivers up to 7 days of battery life with 24/7 tracking and mobile notifications. When using the GPS function, you can expect up to 25 hours, 50 hours, 120 hours, or even a whopping 170 hours, depending on the selected mode. This means you can push your limits during long-distance activities or multi-day adventures without compromising on tracking accuracy or functionality. Connectivity is seamless and effortless with the Suunto 9 Baro. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair the watch with your smartphone for enhanced features and convenience. You can receive phone notifications directly on your wrist, ensuring that you stay connected without having to reach for your phone constantly. Additionally, the watch is compatible with the Suunto app, where you can sync your data, track your progress, and gain valuable insights into your fitness journey. It also integrates smoothly with online sports communities, fostering a sense of camaraderie and competition among fellow enthusiasts. The Suunto 9 Baro is designed to be your ultimate companion for outdoor activities. Equipped with GPS tracking and navigation, you can explore new territories confidently. It supports various satellite systems, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou, ensuring accurate positioning and reliable navigation even in remote areas. The watch features intelligent battery modes, allowing you to optimize the battery life based on your needs, whether you're aiming for performance, endurance, ultra-long adventures, or creating a custom mode that suits your specific requirements. With waypoint and visual route navigation, zoom levels, and real-time breadcrumb trails, you can navigate through any terrain with ease, enjoying the freedom to explore without limitations. When it comes to water resistance, the Suunto 9 Baro is designed to withstand the elements with a rating of 100 meters. This means you can confidently take it for a swim or engage in water activities without worrying about damaging your watch. It's a versatile timepiece that seamlessly transitions from the gym to the pool, allowing you to track your progress and performance wherever your adventures take you. The Suunto 9 Baro keeps you informed about weather conditions, providing you with the necessary information to plan your activities accordingly. The barometric altimeter allows you to measure altitude accurately, while the combined GPS and barometric altitude feature ensures precise elevation tracking. Keep an eye on your ascent, descent, and vertical speed, and utilize the automatic Alti/Baro profile to adjust to changing conditions seamlessly. For fitness enthusiasts, the Suunto 9 Baro offers a range of training functions and features that will elevate your workout routines. Track your steps, calories burned, and set personalized activity targets to keep yourself motivated and accountable. With sleep tracking, stress, and recovery monitoring, you can gain insights into your overall well-being and make informed decisions about your training and recovery strategies. The Suunto 9 Baro isn't limited to a single sport or activity. It's a versatile companion for a multitude of disciplines. Whether you're a runner, cyclist, swimmer, or engage in multi-sport activities, this watch has you covered. From tracking your pace, distance, and heart rate to providing interval training guidance and post-analysis summaries, it empowers you to reach your full potential in every endeavor. With customizable sport modes and graphical displays, you can tailor the watch to suit your specific sport and preferences, allowing for a personalized and immersive experience. In summary, the Suunto 9 Baro is a true masterpiece, combining style, functionality, and durability in one exceptional timepiece. Its titanium grade 5 bezel, sapphire crystal glass, and glass fiber reinforced polyamide case ensure a robust and lightweight construction that withstands the demands of both everyday wear and outdoor adventures. The customizable watch faces, vibrant color display, and extensive features cater to your individual needs, ensuring a personalized experience. With long battery life, GPS tracking, and comprehensive fitness tracking capabilities, it's the ultimate companion for those who seek to push their limits and explore new horizons. Thank you for joining us in this exciting unboxing and review video of the Suunto 9 Baro. We hope you found this comprehensive overview helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting content. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you more incredible reviews, unboxing experiences, and engaging content in the future. See you soon.